Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know you guys have been waiting for an update on this SRT that I traded with a homeless. So we finally finished it, so let's go do a walk around. Let's start with the front end. You have to remember this car is a budget build, so I did not fix a lot of things on there. I just added some things. I added the wing from eBay for $70. Obviously these were separated, so I had to add some vinyl wrap. This is the golden intercooler. What I did is I used a heat wrap from eBay for like $50 on there. I like the features. Added some vinyl here, and basically that's all for the front end. Alright guys, so on the side I added some Lexus side skirt extensions I found on eBay. So as I got these wheels from OfferUp for $550. It came the way it is with tires and everything. Sadly I didn't know the lug nut pattern, but they're actually 5x114, so I had to add adapters in the bag that go from 5x100 to 5x114 so it fits the car. But I like the width, so I was able to adjust my coilovers so that it doesn't rub too much. And then it's a good fitment. I mean, you can go a little bit lower, but it just keeps rubbing too much. Alright guys, for the back we added these aftermarket tail lights I got from Facebook Marketplace for $100 for both. They're good condition, everything was working, so we plugged it right in. Also got this light strip right here from eBay. There's a brand I'm working with, but I can leave a link in the description for some of these parts. So many of you have been asking me what the interior looks like and how we transformed it, so come check it out. So for the interior, I had to pay a person $300 for him to clean out the whole interior. There's some clips of how dirty it was and how long it took the process, which took about 3 hours, but it came out really clean. Everything works, everything's in there, the shift knob. There's minor ribs, but at least everything looks good. Alright guys, let's pop the hood. Okay, for the engine, we actually bought all new motor mounts. We got a brand new rebuilt transmission. We changed out all the gaskets inside there, all the liquids, and actually we got it running. It actually runs really smooth, everything's good. So we had to replace the turbo because the other one had a shaft play. So this is the BWS. It works really good, it was smooth. Also we had to get some brand new blow valve and the pipe going down there. And we got everything running. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this build. It did take some time, but we do have more builds coming. The next one is going to be an E46. We're going to do it from ground up. We're going to fully build it, but now that this one's done, most likely it's going to be sold because I don't have space in my property. And just stay tuned.